All right, week 9, Subitizing on the single number racks. This week is actually very similar to week 7 with Subitizing on the 10 frames. It just uses a different model. So Monday, we really introduce what a number rack is and how it works. So we say this is a number rack, and the animations will lead you through pretty well. How many red beads are there? Let's rate how many you see. You can give kids a chance, or you can immediately go to let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you rate it. There's 5. How many white beads are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you write 5? 5 plus 5 red beads plus 5 white beads. How many does that equal? That reminds me of the doubles fact from last week. Let's see. I'm going to count the top row as the arrows go away. One. Oop, I missed that animation. Sorry about that. So then the arrows will go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you said 5 plus 5 is 10, you were right. And we'll have them reset their boards. We'll say when beads are moved to the left, it makes a number. What number is this? Students should be able to subitize it pretty fast and then have them write it. And then you can reveal it. Erase their boards. What about this? What number is this? Circle it. Have students write it. Reveal it. And then the commentary is going to get a little jokey and pushy with them and that always adds engagement. Oh yeah, I remember there are 5 red beads and 5 white beads. Duh. And then we'll go to the next one. Here's a tricky one. I bet I fool you. How many beads? Write it on your board. Give them a second. Show it. Why do you have to be such a smarty pants? So it'll just kind of prompt you. And that's what happens for Monday. For Tuesday and Wednesday, we just ask them how many. And this time we don't circle it. We want to kind of take them to that next step and then show them once they've had a chance to write it. And then I like to reinforce this. Oh, yeah, I remember there are 5 red beads and 5 white beads. So, of course, there's going to be 5 if all the red beads are there. All right, can you figure out this one? Write it. And then give students a chance. Show them the answer. And then this is where you have a choice. You can have students try to write the equation along with you, or you can just have them follow along with you. So 7, how did you know there was 7? What is 7 equal to with the beads? How many red beads and how many white beads make up 7? Let's think about it. We have 5 red beads. I'm going to write 5. And I'm adding them with the white beads. How many white beads are there? There's 2 white beads. So 7 is equal to or the same as 5 red beads plus 2 white beads. And I like to name the units like red beads and white beads because then it continues to give meaning to the equation. Tuesday we'll have more of these, and then Wednesday we have more of these as well. Thursday and Friday, we add a new element of challenge, and that is we are going to have students see if they can subitize this quickly. So we'll flash the number rack. We'll take it away. Your discretion. I think usually 3 seconds is pretty good. We'll have students write it. So how many did you see? We'll show them again so that they can confirm and then show them the answer. And then what equation matches the beads? You can have students shout it out. You can have students try to write. This is where it is flexible, but then the whole equation will show. I'll show you one more, but essentially Thursday and Friday follow the same pattern. How many? Ooh, went away fast, didn't it? How many did you see? Write it. Give students a second to write it. Say, I'm going to show it again in just a second. All right, now write it if you didn't quite see it the first time. All right, how many is that? It's 6. How could we know so fast what equation matches the beads? Well, I see there are 5 red beads and 1 white bead, and 5 plus 1 is equal to or the same as 6. So you get the gist. If you have any questions at all, drop me a message.